Yo, what is up guys? In this video, I'm gonna be playing Cat 9 of this tiny goob.
Yeah, I'm the owner.
Yeah, he's the owner, but he's a goober. Anyways, let's get
And I'm
into this
insanely fast.
video. Oh my god. If I had 1,000 butt coins, I'd probably go. Bro, how does this door even... Alright, I don't know how to do this. It's my first time playing and I don't know what to do.
Hello. If you beat, you get this color and you become big.
I don't know what to do, bro.
I'm just gonna ignore that I have 1,630 butt coins. I'm just gonna say I have 630. For me, the one doesn't even matter.
Bro, how do you even do this, though? Like, where do you get the team?
Down here. Honestly, why would there be this?
Oh my god. I am actually so stupid.
Bro, if you buy VIP, I can open this and there's a VIP teleporter.
One sec. One sec, my brother's showing me something, so I'm gonna quickly pause the video. There you go. And I'm back, guys. Anyways, let's get this back.
I switched colors.
Yeah, I may have not
honestly.
just drunk something that
switched
actually
to
tasted
blue.
really good. Let's go.
I just rose my own self. Frick, can you open the button? I will show you how this works. It's a door I invented.
Huh?
You just
Oh my
walk
god.
through.
I don't want copyright. Oh!
You're free to like copy anything on my map, just not that door.
Alright.
Anything except for that door. It's my door.
I don't even own no,
I'm
so you're
sensitive
lucky.
about my door. I'm
I
sensitive
don't own
about
no,
my
so you're
door.
lucky. Hey, I made it!
I'm honestly the owner and I'm kinda slow at it.
Oh crap! Ah! Oh crap!
Wait, I'm gonna be
Let's get it. Edit that part out. No! Ah!
I'm doing this with you.
Oh look!
And
Oh look, there may be a lot of
gonna
screaming
show you.
in this video, so turn your headphones down.
bro, look at this. Watch.
Oh.
It's a little overpowered. If I have to agree.
Huh. Huh. Yo, bro,
Sorry,
I'm just
I'm
chilling
back.
in my bath. Huh. Yay. Ah! Huh.
A couple billion more years later.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of screaming in this video, guys, so turn your headphones down. Unless you actually want to hear screaming.
Bro, why
It's
do you,
just a
act
warning.
like a duck?
And I don't feel like editing a warning in. So that's why I'm telling you. After my longest break ever. Like the world's longest break. Yep, well. I did not do an Apollo. This is proof that I'm not doing an Apollo. But yeah. I am honestly happy to be back on
It's
Yeeps.
impossible to do this
After a
without
while.
looking.
I haven't played Yeeps in years, it feels like.
Hello.
So yeah.
I'm playing on Quest 2.
Ah!
I was a
Ah!
What the fuck?
That one was on purpose, yes. Ah!
What the frick? My game is sideways. Bro, honestly, what the frick is this? What the frick am I
What
doing?
the flick?
Bro, I'm doing the map without... I'm doing the map
Hatur.
without... I'm doing the map with breaking my neck.
Oh my god. 2.
You're at the end.
Hey, oh my god! My dad just got massive. Oh!
Yeah. There is no level 2. Just to
Oh,
let
right.
you know. Level 2 is just empty.
This is really good, by the way, so I'm just gonna donate all my book coins. Yeah, I'm definitely not just donating all my book coins.
Honestly, how does this look? How does
Okay.
this look?
I just donated 500 book coins to your map.
Well, stay. Wait, you did?
Yeah.
Accept. Accept. Accept it.
Right. Okay, I did! I have no clue what's going on right now. Just
Your
because I
staff.
donated 500.
Your staff.
Oh my god. What the heck? Just because I donate 500.
Follow me, my Buddha. Red teleporter.
Wow. Hmm?
Hello. Oh, it's only
How do I
matched for
turn
one person.
tiny?
You can pick one of these teams if you want.
Yay!
Well,
I'll turn tiny like you. Pardon?
Come through the brown teleporter.
Round teleporter.
Watch
Hmm?
me. 3, 2, 1.
What the
Now you can
hell?
If there's anything you want to look at in the map, if you want to just get back in, just join blue team.
Right.
The big
Oh, who's
day.
here?
Close that. Oh, that's my friend.
Hmm? How? Huh?
Oh, you have to be
I want to
small.
be tiny.
Hello. Oh, only one person can be on my team. And I don't allow anybody else on my team.
Wait, then how am I supposed to?
Bro, let me show you something. Just don't join my red team. Bro, come over here. Join blue team. And eat this. Run over here. And touch the spike. Now we can head back. That's how you head back.
All right. Cool.
I know.
Wait, is the guy still recording the video? Oh,
Yeah.
hi. What's up, guys?
Let's
I'm
go
a
party.
Cat Cat9. I took over this guy's camera. Here's the owner. He's tiny because he's a ratatouille.
No chance in you taking over my camera.
Moink.
But can we do my community world
Hey.
next? Cause
Yeah.
Please
Actually,
don't.
his community world has more worlds.
Disco
Hey,
dance.
can I tell something?
Yeah, sure.
Soon, this
join
map,
Red Rabbit.
soon, the
Join Red
sandbox,
Rabbit.
soon, the sandbox, you can no longer go to it, like playing it because, I'm gonna have a new community world called Rat 10. So, yeah.
Yeah, because he's a ratting.
Where's bro going?
Well, shall we just go to my community world now to check that
Yeah,
out?
we're gonna
Hey,
end the
guys,
video
guys,
first.
Guys, cave divers be like.
I might have to make a
No, this is the
cave
cave.
divers video. Might have to make a cave diver video.
Honestly, if you want
Expect
to
a
borrow
cave
my
diver
team,
YouTube short.
now,
Oh, and
welcome
can
back,
we
guys,
go
to my YouTube channel. Today will be.
join Red Rabbit right now, or I will go to your house.
Eh.
And
wait.
Alright, hey guys. Also, what you don't want to forget to do is donate any of these.
Yep.
And donate to Red Rabbit too because it's dying, like really soon.
Anyways,
Well, let's go to
I'm gonna go donate to
Red
his.
Rabbit.
Yeah.
Red
Wait for
Rabbit.
me. Does the owner himself want to say anything before? Never mind.
Wait,
Anyways,
let's
that's
add
gonna
it
be it
to
for
him.
today's video, guys. And let's go. Peace.